everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Are you looking to make something comforting, light and deeply satisfying? Well, let's make this delicious, soothing and flavorful temple style curd rice. This is just not a regular curd rice. This is creamy, aromatic and packed with simple spices. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, first I'm taking 1 cup of fresh curd and whisk it really well. This step is essential to ensure the curd is smooth and lump-free, giving our curd rice that perfectly creamy texture. Next, I've got half cup of well-cooked rice, completely cooled to room temperature. You can use it as is or mash it slightly, like I'm doing here. It's totally up to you. Now to the mashed rice, I'm adding the whisked curd. To this, add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix everything thoroughly. The measurement here should be 1:2 ratio. So for 1 cup of rice, we have to take 2 cups of curd. This keeps the curd rice gooey and soft, just like how it's served in temples. Once that's mixed, let's move on to the most exciting part, the tempering. In a small pan, heat 2 teaspoons of oil. Once it's hot, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal and roast until golden. Then toss in half teaspoon of cumin seeds and half teaspoon of mustard seeds, followed by 3 roughly chopped dried red chillies. Add 3 roughly chopped green chillies, a bit of finely chopped ginger and a few fresh curry leaves. For added flavor and taste, crush a few peppercorns and add them in. Half teaspoon of asafoetida powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is optional, but this gives our curd rice a soothing yellow color and nice flavor. Sauté everything well, then turn off the heat and pour the sizzling tempering straight over the curd rice mixture. Give it all a good mix. Now look at that beautiful color from the turmeric. You can taste at this point and adjust the salt if needed. Finally, sprinkle in some freshly chopped coriander leaves, stir once more and let the curd rice rest for 1 hour. This allows the flavors to soak in beautifully. And there you have it. This delicious, creamy, mildly spiced curd rice that is so satisfying. The curd rice is so flavorful and so refreshing. You can enjoy it as is or with some nice pickle by the side. Well, that looks absolutely delicious and you can enjoy making this temple style curd rice at home with just simple ingredients. So I've made a video on how to make fresh curd. I'll give the link in the description. Do check it out. Enjoy the hot summers with this cool and refreshing curd rice. So do give it a try and share it with your family and friends. For more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.